Nakaliang jong ka Ministry of Environment and Forest kelai jingbit ya ka starsman bahkan le berpenhe ya ka jakati motion juga hang thi nakaliang jonga ngalai jing tho saka ministry bahkan perkhat biang yak tu ka clearance bakal ai mar ba kumbala mata ki babon ki paiba ki sang malang ki persya ya ka di ka jing tu jong starsman ban penhe tena kadau ban yada yak ni marian mak boy bang thi apo brichernon kemudian ka wildlife sanctuaries di kisnong di kiba hajan ka wa lokar don tu ka sekta ya kami bariang di luar ki berkat akrapa di komisi bukan konsider yang ya dika environmental clearance bakal aisyah ka stasiun. You see that proposed land sought by the starsmen, the villages are very close to the mine. And the wildlife sanctuaries, Narpu wildlife sanctuaries is there, and even the river Luka also is there. So if mining is going on, so it will destroy all the beauty and spoil the environment in all the surrounding in that area. And number two, as you have seen, all the villages and even all NGOs, they are against this clearance given by the MOEF. So based on this, I have written my letter to the ministry to reconsider the certificate issued to the starsmen. See, I do understand that since public hearing cannot be held in 3 consecutive times, so based on this, I think the DC, the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board, so they have written to the ministry that they cannot hold their public hearing based on this, so that they give it the liberty to the ministry to give their decisions.